I'm Jasmine Greenaway, and I'm a cloud advocate at Microsoft.
My name is Jen Looper. I'm a cloud advocate lead on the next generation team at Microsoft.
My name is Tiffany Souterre, and I'm a developer relation at Microsoft.
My name is Jalen McGee, and I'm a program manager here at Microsoft.
Hi, I'm Majd. I'm a developer relations program manager at Microsoft.
My name is Nitya Narasimhan. I'm a senior cloud advocate on the developer relations team at Microsoft.
I'm Christopher Harrison. I'm a senior cloud advocate inside of Microsoft Cloud and AI, focused in on academic.
My name is Dmitry Soshnikov. I am cloud developer advocate at Microsoft, and welcome to this brand new data science curriculum. It teaches you how to deal with data, how you can get the data, how you can store the data, how you can process it, and how to make sense of it.
I contributed to the data science in the cloud part of this curriculum, and together we're going to see how to train, deploy, and consume a model in Azure.
I worked on the data science in the cloud chapter of this curriculum. Together, we'll see what is the cloud and what you can gain from running your data science projects in the cloud.
I want to introduce the relational data module.
I contributed to the data communication lesson in this curriculum, where we go over how to introduce your data and the implications of your data to a diverse audience.
I worked on data ethics. With great data collection power comes great ethics responsibility.
For this curriculum, I created lessons all about data visualizations. And the data we're using is all about nature.
I hope that this curriculum helps you reach your data-focused goals.